Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to play music in Discord in 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to play Discord in 2023? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so if you want to have like a Discord music thing, aside from sharing on call a playlist from YouTube or Spotify or whatever via shared screen, the easiest way is just to add bots like Hydra. Hydra's like one of the most popular bots out there when it comes to music and other things Discord. So how to add Hydra and to add music is just click on invite here. This is hydra.bot. This is their home screen, and click on invite, and it's gonna automatically connect to your Discord channel, right? So it says here add a bot to a server, access your username. So click on server, click on this one, click continue, and as you can see, these are the things that the bot can do. So manage messages, administrator, manage channels, read messages, everything, connect, speak, use voice activity, priorities, speaker, use emojis, add reactions. One of the things it can do as administrator is to do a playlist, a music playlist. So those are one of the things that you can do, and it's very easy to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.